solve the differential equation x minus y times arctangent of y over x dx plus x times the arctangent of y over x dy. So we let y equals vx and dy is vx plus x dv. So we substitute y equals vx here and here and here, and dy equals this here. We have x minus y becomes vx times arctangent of y, which is vx over x, times dx plus x times the arctangent of vx over x times dy will be v dx plus x dv equals 0. So we multiply dx here and here, we get x dx minus vx, arctangent of vx over x is just v times dx. Then we multiply vx here as well as x dv. So we have v times x is plus vx, arctangent of vx over x is just v times dx plus the other one x dv times x is x squared, arctangent of v dv equals 0. So you can see that this plus this is 0. So we have now x dx plus x squared arctangent v dv equals 0. So by separation of variables, we multiply the whole equation by 1 over x squared, and we get dx over x arctangent of v dv equals 0. So we can now integrate. The integral of dx over x is just ln x, but the integral of arctangent v dv, we will need integration by parts. And since v is already used here, so we'll just use another set of variables. Say s equals arctangent of v, and that will give us ds equals 1 over 1 plus v squared dv, and then the other variable dt will be equal to dv, and t is equal to v. The first term is just ln x. The second term would be st plus v arctangent of v, that's st, minus integral of t ds, that's t, and ds will be 1 plus b squared dv equals integral of 0 will be ln c. Okay, so let's copy first the first two terms. We have ln x v arctangent of v minus integral of v dv over 1 plus b squared equals ln c. So I think we can integrate the third term now. We only need to modify the numerator. It should be 2b dv, and then that means we have to introduce 1/2 here to cancel out 2 equals ln c. So we can now integrate that one. That will just be a negative 1/2 of the ln of 1 plus b squared equals ln of c. From y equals vx and b equals y over x. So we'll substitute b equals y over x and multiply the whole equation by 2, and we get 2 ln x minus 2 times b will be y over x, arctangent of v, that's y over x, minus ln of 1 plus b squared becomes y squared over x squared equals ln of c. And then we transfer all ln to the right side of the equation. We get ln of c plus ln of x squared will be the common denominator here, and this will become x squared plus y squared over x squared minus 2 ln x becomes ln of x squared. Again, by law of logarithm, the right side of the equation becomes ln of c times x squared plus y squared over x squared divided by another x squared from ln of x squared. We multiply also the whole equation by x, and we get our final answer, 2y arctangent of y over x equals x ln of c times x squared plus y squared all over x to the 4th.